enjoying it before, and now it's a little bit too much. Alrighty, happy Saturday, friends. I missed you guys last week because I didn't upload. Oh, he's getting blown away. Yeah, guys, it's Saturday. We finished our jog that we do every Saturday morning, and now we're gonna go check out the sorticulture, which is an event they're having downtown Everett. So, oh my god, my hair looks so bad. This is what I look like all day. Look.
We did easy 35 miles.
Something light.
Yeah. sub 20 minutes, 30 miles.
Yeah, nothing crazy. It's just our usual. But look at the little sign for it.
And also the person who designed that, she's here. She has a stand. I walked by it.
Oh really? She designed the sign?
Yeah.
Cool.
I don't know if she'll be here today,
But that's what we're doing. We're gonna go walk over there, check it out, see if we're gonna get anything. They have like indoor, outdoor plants, art, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a pretty nice day. Like the sun keeps coming in and out. It's cloudy mostly, but still was nice to run in because you get a cool breeze once you're getting all sweaty. It's beautiful out. Wow.
Any recommendations in the comments for running clothes in the colder months? We live in Washington, so any recommendations would be great.
They're like, go to REI.
Yeah. Stay inside.
Stay indoors.
That's what I usually do.
Yeah, I don't really have any like sweaters to wear.
I mean, I know there are like light layers you can wear and stuff.
Yeah, I do have my little Lululemon zip up, and I always forget about. Oh, you smell that?
Yes, I do.
Kettle
I'm
corn.
gonna get one.
Hotsman kettle corn. It's pretty cool. This is mini donuts.
Alright, first stop.
Kettle corn. That's what it looks like. Cool.
Little pickle left.
No. I just want regular. That's the best. Cool.
Throw poles.
Yeah, to put in your garden.
Yeah, I guess you could use them. Oh no, these are like decorative.
Cool.
It'd be fun to like hang it on the window.
They're adorable. Yeah, so adorable. Look at this little frog.
Whoa, it's so cute.
See?
It's like a
Oh,
mug.
cool. That's cute. And the little monkey too. Precious. I love these. Cute.
Are they scented?
No, I think it's just themed. But it's so cute. I'm sure there's some scented stuff here. Like this.
Lavender buds.
Yeah, these ones are.
Sorry. Put that in the closet.
Dryer bags. Those are cute. Wow, look at those. They have little soaps with little butterflies on it.
Ooh, very strong.
Mmm, smells beautiful.
Lavender bubble bath, bombs.
love
like
that.
a
It looks
dinosaur
like,
skin.
yeah, it looks like leather.
Yeah.
These are so fun. Oh, is this mint?
I like you. Allocation scalp in 22. Like the biscuit that we made.
Yeah, he does. It's so fluffy.
I like it.
I love this last hamburger.
Flamingo? Yeah, these are the victory bells
Those
from
are
Pokemon.
cool.
Still got them. Yeah, they're really pretty. Show what you want to show.
Little baby slugs, so teeny tiny. I love them. Ooh, it's giving vacation. Sold for $20.
Sorry. Here's your thumbs.
It's cute. I like it. Mysterious. Oh god, my hair again. Ugly. We just got a matcha. I got a matcha.
Yeah.
It's really good.
$9 I just spent $30.
I mean, $9 is a lot for a matcha, a drink. Oh, it's really good. It's raining now too.
Not bad.
Sucks. Look at my hair. It's so ugly. Mango matcha. Yum.
I said my hair, you're like, yeah, mine sucks too.
You're like, that's not what I said.
I just said my hair. But yeah, mine sucks.
Jeez. We are at S2S for their 3-year anniversary. Yay!
3 years?
Yeah, guess I'll
2014 though, right? Oh, this location?
This one, yeah. Not
Yes.
the other ones. Let's go in. Sneak attack them.
Excuse me, sir. Are you part of the
Excuse
monk
me,
club?
sir. Fancy
line or
seeing you
what?
here. Hi, how are you?
I am part of the luck club.
How are you guys? Good. Hi, baby. That's a Brittany question.
She did tell me, but it's been a while. Something together from like a thrift store or something.
Artificial, we just said that.
I think, yeah.
Something else to match. But she said I could do any suit color.
That you want.
Yeah, I think I should be fine. I have a suit jacket. I just need some suit pants. And I'm good to go.
Yeah. You can do black.
Sure. I can't really see it.
No, might have.
I know. It's just fun to see it all sunny and then rainy.
What about you?
Engine, but just a couple plants.
Ooh, which ones?
God's really coming down.
Yeah, that one and that one. Yeah. So, what did you do today?
It's hailing now.
So, 2 new plants, huh?
Oh my god. Ah! They're throwing them at me now. Save them! Save the paper towel! Holy crap. Okay, now I gotta scooch over. Oh my gosh. What is this?
Summertime.
And the lid is easy. I was enjoying it before, and now it's a little bit too much.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
Little baby.
Just a beautiful summer day. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Everybody just abandoned their stuff. They said, we gotta go. Oh my gosh. And this is us. Oh. Oh, so bad.
I liked it, man.
You just gotta hide under the umbrella, that's fine.
You can see the steam coming off that fire right there.
I know. Alright, that's enough.
I think we're gonna get this for a little bit longer. Another round.
Oh my god, it's just I feel like I'm on a wet ride.
You guys want any food? For a wild wave or something?
Yeah. Wait, I haven't finished my drink. My camera is getting wet. I need to put it away. Oh my gosh. Please. And I haven't even finished my drink.
Yeah, we get another round.
We're like actually wet. Look at everybody hiding over there.
Yeah. We'll pass. Seems like it's dying down.
You look like you're soaked.
I'm just sweating. It's so hot out here, guys.
It'll pass.
Yeah.
I'm like, alright, we gotta go inside now. Oh my gosh. Bad day to wear flip-flops.
Very human.
No.
Staring into your soul.
Drink our
Yeah.
pod.
Oh, is Jeremy getting another one?
Yeah, and you went to order food. We haven't had
Oh, okay,
dinner
so
yet.
it's gonna be a little bit. Cheers.
What's it say? Yeah.
Yeah, I was wondering if you guys wanted anything.
Ooh,
Jeremy he didn't respond, so I just assumed.
Oh, yeah, I know. It's
it's good. It's a little bit more orangey this time.
Yeah, just
the
because
fog is over. It's kind of tropical.
Yeah,
Yeah, I love it.
it's good.
Which is like really uncommon.
Alright guys, quick update. We got back from S2S, as you guys saw. We ran into some friends there, which is why I didn't vlog too much of what we were doing, but basically just had a couple of beers there, and then you guys saw it started raining, but it was sunny at the same time. And the weather is always super bipolar like that in Washington when it's between spring and summer. You just never know what to expect. So I always have to pack like at least a jacket or something. But I was wearing flip-flops, which I guess isn't the worst option because they dried up really quickly. I was wearing my flow hose. But that was really fun. We had a good time there. We were just talking with our friends and all of that. And then we came back and we were starving because all we had was a little, as you guys saw, the little like cheese dip with the pico de gallo, a few chips, and that's all we had. And that's all we have had since the day started, and we went on our jog and all of that. So we are super hungry. And I think we've reached like around 15,000 steps today. So my feet were super tired. I was super tired. But now some of the energy is kind of coming back, especially because I'm so excited to freaking eat. We got Mexican food, and I'm so ready to eat. Honestly, that's all I could think about. I got some, ooh, that looks so good. Some carne asada fries, basically. We got some tacos, horchata, jamaica. Let me show you. Better than I can explain. Okay, there's the fries. Ooh, that looks so good. And then these are the tacos. And then what did you get, babe, again?
Wet burrito?
A wet burrito. That don't look like wet burrito.
Oh, yeah, it's in there.
In
Yeah,
there?
there's chips on top of it. I didn't know they did that.
I know, me neither. I was like, that's a wet burrito? And then the jamaica and the horchata are in here. So good. Let's try. Because I don't remember this place, honestly. Cheers. We were probably too drunk.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's a good chip.
Mmm. Those fries are good.
Oh, yeah.
They put jalapeno in it. That's even extra spicier. Ooh. I love memos, but this is like more loaded. Like it's got onions, cilantro.
It's supposed to be like, memo's supposed to be like for cheap and fast. This is a little bit more.
Just like a little bit, because they got the radish, they got jalapenos, tomatoes, cilantro, onions, and the carnitas. Fire. Yeah? We're watching Hoppers.
Freaking pros, man. I
So
should
loud.
pause it just in case you get copyright.
Oh yeah. We're watching Hoppers. Alright, let's taste the burrito.
Wow, man. I want to try your fries. It's a good spot right here.
Right there.
The meat. Oh yeah.
Ooh, it does have a kick to it.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
I feel like I don't even need hot sauce, but I'll still do it.
That's really good.
Okay, that's a lot of fries. Sorry.
Got a lot of flavor. Well, you give me a big piece of burrito. Good.
Yeah.
The fries are really good. Let's try the drink. Horchata. It's good. That's good. Not too sweet. That's a good amount.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yours isn't too sweet too, or too
This
sour.
is the best.
Damn, that's really good. Alright, time to enjoy our meal and watch our movie. Bye.
Turn all the lights on.
Alright guys, you have made it to the end of the vlog. I hope that you guys had fun watching this one because I certainly had fun editing it and living through it, of course. It was such a good weekend and I'm hoping that we have another sunny weekend because so far this week has been on and off raining like crazy, and of course we did have that really random burst of rain and hail that you guys saw in the previous clips. That was still on Saturday evening, but then Sunday it was still pretty nice and we were relaxing most of that day watching movies and whatnot. We started a new show as well, so that's why I didn't really vlog that day. But yeah, we had such a fun time at the sorticulture event. Brandon did get a couple of plants as well, which I forgot to film completely. I don't even know why. I think it was because we got busy on Sunday and we were wrapped up in the movie and watching all of that. So, oh, and I also went to go watch Backrooms, which was really fun. And the Backrooms is like one of my favorite, what do you call it, lore creepypasta Reddit thread kind of thing, because it's so fun to try to dissect it and come up with theories and all of that. So we did that as well on Sunday. I totally forgot about that. Okay, anyway, I'm just rambling now. But thank you so much if you made it all the way to this point in the video, and if you did, make sure to comment a little potted plant emoji, that way I know who stayed all the way to the end. And if you did, just know that I appreciate you so much. I love you so much, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next vlog. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, and hit that hype button if you think this video is worth hyping up. It would really help me out. And again, thank you guys for being here. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.